Hey, this is Joakim. Welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is some beauty products from the Christian Dior brand. If you see the packaging for this one, it's actually pretty cool. It's like the same one that I showed you guys before. And I believe they only give you guys this packaging if you guys buy like the miniature stuff, or if you guys buy like the candles and etc. But you see, it actually looks pretty nice, and it does have the Christian Dior word on here. For the product that got inside is like a limited edition Lunar New Year product. So I was hoping that they send me like a Lunar New Year package and something, but I guess they give you guys this instead. So first I'm actually open this up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Here is what the inside looks like. So it does say Christian Dior Paris, just like the other one. And then right here they do give you guys a return label if you guys need to return it for whatever reason. And right underneath that, you can see we do have the wrapping and the sticker on there. So let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so let's open up. First thing inside right here, you can see they do give you guys the same pouch I showed you guys before, which is really nice. And then right underneath that, you can see we do have a bunch of stuff. So let's take it all out and show you guys what's included. So first thing inside, you can see right here, we do have a red makeup pouch. It does have a CD logo on here. And on the zipper right here, it does say Dior. But if you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. And when you guys feel the material on the outer layer, it actually feels pretty soft and very smooth. And even for the zipper on here, it looks very high quality as well. And I love the color of the pouch. It's so red. It's perfect for like the Lunar New Year season. And it's like a perfect size if you guys want to bring stuff when you guys are traveling, which are pretty cool. But once you're done, you can close it up. So right here is basically the first thing that's included. I do want to let you guys know when I purchased this product, I did use a code to get this. So I'm not sure if it's still available right now by the time you guys see this video. But let's see what else is inside. So next thing inside, they do provide you guys some sample that I selected. So this one right here is a Salvage Elixir. And it is like a miniature size. This side right here, we do have the Miss Dior, which is a perfume option. So let's open both of them to show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys take it out, here is what the product looks like for the miniature option for the Elixir. So we have to open it. That is basically what the inside looks like. So it's basically like a tap-on design. It's not a spray bottle, but it's very convenient for you guys to bring along when you guys are traveling. So once you guys are done, you just screw it back on. So just like that. Now let's show you guys this one. So we have to open up. Once you guys open up, here is what the product looks like. So for this one right here is the EDP option, and it is 5 milliliter. But you can see the new design of the ribbon on here definitely looks pretty nice. And the same thing for this one, if you guys twist it open, it's basically like a tap-on design for you guys to put it onto your wrist or your neck or wherever you guys want. And then once you're done, you can close it back up. So here is basically what the miniature looks like for this one. Next thing that we got inside is the perfume option, which is basically a sample size. If you guys do open it, this is what the inside looks like. The next thing that we got right here is a little small little baggie that you can put stuff inside if you guys do want to. And it does say Christian Dior Paris. If you guys do open it, inside right here, you can see they do provide you guys another sample. So if you guys do open it, here is basically what the product looks like. So it's another small little travel size option, which is really cool. Next thing that we got right here are some red envelope with the Dior name on there, just like the other one that I showed you guys before. And for this one in particular, it does come packed with 8 of them. So that way, if you guys want to keep it as a souvenir, or if you guys want to give it away for Lunar New Year, feel free to do so. But for this one, you can see it does come packed with 8 of them, just like the one I showed you guys before. So feel free to open it and take it out if you guys do need to. Next thing inside, they do give you guys this pillow, just like the one I showed you guys before. And it does say Christian Dior Paris, which is very nice. And then right here, we do have the actual product. So pretty much what this is a miniature sample size. So each one of the bottles inside is 7.5 milliliters or 0.25 fluid ounce. But you can see the design of this one is very nice. It is a limited edition for Lunar New Year, if you can see right here. So in the middle part right here, it does say Christian Dior Paris. And if you guys turn it around, on the back part right here, you can see it does show you guys what's included in terms of each different scent. So just to bring it a little bit closer to show you guys what's on here, these are all the different scents that's on here. And that is everything that's inside. So now I'm actually opening it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Here's what it actually looks like inside when you guys do slide it out. And if you guys do open it, once you guys open it, this is what the inside looks like. So inside does say Christian Dior Paris. And then right here, they do give you guys a little note. So it does have it in Chinese. And they also have it in English to tell you guys a little bit about the product and also to say Happy New Year. And then right underneath that, you can see we do have all the miniature bottle. And it does tell you guys what we do have on here in terms of each different scent. So let's open each one and smell it to see what it actually smells like. So I'll try this one first. So this one smells pretty nice. It does have a little bit of floral scent to it. I feel like for this one could be unisex, but for this one it definitely smells pretty good. I do like it. Next one that we got right here is Lucky. This one also smells pretty good. I do like this as well. For this one, it does give you guys that floral scent on here, kind of like a white flower scent or something. I do like this a lot, but I feel like for the Lucky, it's more towards like woman. If you guys are a male, feel free to use as well. Next one that we got right here is this one. So when you guys smell this one, it kind of gives you guys like a sea scent. It kind of smells a little bit like a pine tree scent on here as well, just like what they mentioned. I do like this a lot. I feel like this one can be unisex as well. Next one that we got right here is Sakura. If you guys do smell it, this one actually smells really good. It actually smells like Sakura just like what it mentions, and also give you guys that kind of like a cherry blossom scent, which smells really good. I feel like for this one it's more towards for women, but if you guys are male, feel free to use as well. I do like this smell a lot. Next one that we got right here is this one. I actually smelled this one before and I love this a lot. This one basically gives you guys like a jasmine scent. But I'm actually just open up and smell it. Yep, so same thing for this one. When you guys smell it, it has a really strong jasmine scent to it that I actually really like a lot. So if you guys also love like jasmine scent, this is actually pretty good. Next one that we got is this one. So this one also smells pretty good. It's not too strong, it's not too weak. It's like in between. It has a like very nice floral scent on here that smells pretty good. It also gives me a little bit like a rose scent on here as well, which is pretty nice. I feel like for this one, also give you guys a little bit like a spicy or woody scent, but it's not too strong. It's more towards like the floral side, but not too floral, which is really cool. Next one that we do have is this one. So I'm assuming for this one, it's more like a rose floral scent. So when you guys smell this one, it definitely has a really strong rose scent on here that smells really good. So if you guys do like rose, this is actually perfect. Like the rose scent that's on here, it is pretty strong, but it's not like too strong. I think it's like a perfect balance like in between. So I do like this a lot. And the last one in this set is this one. So when you guys smell this one, it actually smells pretty good. It gives you guys that very nice like floral scent, but also give you guys like a fruity scent as well. I feel like for this one, definitely leans more towards like the woman's side, but like I mentioned, if you guys are a male and you guys want to use it, feel free to do so. Like for me personally, I probably won't use this outside, but I do like this scent a lot, so maybe you can just use this throughout the house or something. So after testing all of these, there's not a single one I don't like. All of them actually smells pretty good. I feel like most of them will give you guys a very nice like floral scent on here, and they do use like high quality ingredients when you guys do smell it, which is pretty awesome. But I feel like if I had to pick like my top 3, I probably have to pick like the jasmine one, the rose kabuki, and probably the Sakura one. Out of all of them, those are probably my favorite one. But like I mentioned, for all of them, I do like it a lot, so it's really hard for me to pick just one. But once you guys are done, you can close it back up, because it does have a very strong magnetic design on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality fragrance that basically come in the miniature size for you guys to test it out and see what you guys like. Especially if you guys like the limited edition Lunar packaging, and if you guys do like floral scent, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.